Hello everyone and welcome back. I know you've heard about it, Bitcoin nearing a new all-time high. It went up 57% in just 1 month. Shiba Inu, 353% in 1 month. And you have Dogecoin, over 132% in the last month. But is it done climbing? It is a digital currency. There's no future for it, right? Well, that's not what the WEF says, the World Economic Forum. Here is an article. It says, what are central bank digital currencies and what could they mean for the average person? A total of 11 countries have launched one, and another 21 have pilot programs according to the Atlantic Council's CBDC tracker. So I wouldn't be worried about this being the top, especially if the World Economic Forum says that it's just starting. This is from Crypto News, and it says Nigeria tries to enforce cashless society with CBDC in Naira amidst financial disaster. And there are many more headlines just like this one, but I picked only a few. Here is another one from Crypto News. It says Fed Now program aims to introduce fully digital US currency. Now, I'm not saying SHIB, Bitcoin, or the other ones that I mentioned will be one of the main currencies, but I believe they will be around and there will be a centralized currency that everyone will be using. And this is from Tribune Online, and it says cashless Bitcoin shaping culture and society. And I believe what they're talking about is going into a cashless society, a cryptocurrency, a digital currency. CoinDesk. BRICS will create payment system based on digital currencies and blockchain report. Now, I know you might be thinking that that is a good thing because maybe you're invested in crypto and you like Bitcoin, you like the other tokens, and it could make you some serious money. But while that is all nice and dandy, but this makes it that much easier for a tyrannical government to have total control over you and what you spend. So while I know that digital currency is the future, I'm not too happy about the way it's coming down just because of the things that I can see will happen. This right here, this is from Rizzo. He's on Twitter and he has this post right here. It says, the ECB, only 11 days ago, Bitcoin is worthless and will fall to zero. Today, BTC set a new all-time high versus the euro. More headlines that says Bitcoin is not going anywhere. Bitcoin ETF mania is boosting BlackRock and Fidelity, which together have captured 79% of inflows into Newborn 9. Bitcoin ETF snapshot. Record volume led to second best weekly inflows, and Stanford's Blythe Fund allocates 7% of its portfolio to Bitcoin. And this here from Bitcoin Magazine says MicroStrategy to raise $600 million to buy more Bitcoin. And that's just 10 hours ago. They're planning on buying more, which means the price is most likely going to keep going up. Skybridge founder insists it's still very early to buy BTC. Sees Bitcoin as the new Berkshire Hathaway. Some people are talking about that it may be a pump and dump. By the way these people are talking, it doesn't look like it. Here's another one. This is from Crypto News. It says Mark Cuban goes for Bitcoin over gold all day, every day. So while I cannot predict where this will go with the halving that is coming up soon, and all the headlines talking about it is time to get into Bitcoin, and they're buying more Bitcoin, and the World Economic Forum is also supporting digital currencies, I don't think that cryptocurrency is anywhere near done. But what is Bitcoin halving? How does it work, and why does it matter? A Bitcoin halving event is when the reward for mining Bitcoin transactions, along with its inflation rate, is cut in half. So theoretically, that means that when this happens, there will be less given out as a reward to the miners, which means less people will have it. They will have less of it, which makes it more precious, which makes it more expensive. Now, in order to kind of get a grasp of what will happen after the next halving, we have to go see what happened after the first one. Well, the first one was 11/28, that's November 28th, 2012, and the price was right around $12 when that happened. The second halving was 7/9/2016, and the price was around $648. The third halving was done 5/11/2020, and the price was around $8,572. The next halving, they say, will be in April of 2024, and that is the fourth, and that is just 1 month away. Now, does that mean that the price will continue to go up? We don't know what kind of news will come out. Just like with the stock market, news can come out that will drop the price. But if you look at the chart, it looks like it's been going up every time that happens. And as long as Bitcoin remains strong and cryptocurrency remains the plan of the World Economic Forum and they want to push it forward, then I don't think there's anything stopping Bitcoin from going much higher and being tradable later for whatever the leaders of the world want to use as a digital currency in their new world order. Because both are coming, a new world order and a digital currency that the whole world will use.